Welcome back to this channel once again, and in this video session I will discuss rgzpfm command. So rgzpfm command is basically reorganize physical file member command in AS400. So this command is used to reorganize the physical file member. So for example, just if we have a file and we have a say n number of record, or just take n as 3, we have 3 records and we have inserted some values 1 2 or 3 there, and the rrn of those records rows are 1 2 3 especially, and we deleted the second record. Now we have rrn 1 and 3, so the rrn 2 is deleted. So if I'm gonna inserting any new record in that file, it will take rrn as 4. So I can see here the rrn2 was freed by deleted that record, but it is still not in use by the system because that storage space is not freed up actually. So once we perform rgzpfm on that physical file member, then only we will be able to reuse that rn, reuse that freed space. So basically it deleted the records, or it reuses the deleted record space and then reorganizes the rr. So let me show you the demo. So here you can see this is a physical file having 4 fields, and if I do strSQL on this one, and what I'll do select star from this. Let me use select star from this file. So currently there are no records. So if I select as this, I'll select all the file fields separately and the rrn of that file, rrn pf20. So I can see still no records. So let me insert some records. So 3 records are inserted now. So let me again select. Now I can see those 3 records have taken the rn 1 2 3. Let's delete the second one. id equals to 2. Now select again. So I can see now identity 1 and 3 are left, and which have rn 1 and 3 means rn2 row is deleted, but that is actually not deleted from, or actually not freed up from the system. So what I'll do, if I insert another record, just insert 2 again which I deleted and then select. So I can see now it will take rn4. So rn2 is still not in use. So how can we reuse that rn which is whose record got deleted and it's still not in use? So what I'll do the reorganize pfm for that physical file member, rgzpfm. So the database file is pf20, which is in my library, and member is a star first because this is a single member file. So I can specify star first or star last or name of that member. So I don't have multiple member here, so I'm gonna giving star first here, and other of these are the optional parameters to this command. So I'll press enter here. data in member pf20 reorganized. Let me check. Now that third record took as the second RN, and the second record took the third RN. So the RNs got reorganized, but they are still not, but they are not, they are in the sequence actually, because I inserted this row as the last one. So for example, if I now again insert, it will take the fourth RN, that is correct. So because I just ran the reorganize pfm command on that physical file. So let me delete all those records. Now select. So all the records are deleted now. So if I insert this record again, let me show you. Now you will see it will take fifth RN, because already those four records which were deleted took 1, 2, 3 and 4 RNs. They are freed up, but actually not deleted from the storage, so freed up from the storage. So once I again ran the rgzpfm on this file, so then you'll see the file has been reorganized. The the space which is freed up is now reused. So if I delete this again, so if I delete this again, now if I enter, it will take the 2 RN as 2, not as 1, because I just ran the reorganize deleted and that make that RN as 1, and then again I deleted the RN1. Now if I insert, it will take RN2. So what I'll do after deleting all the records, I'll run the reorganize pfm. If I insert any record here, it will start from RN1. So it will reuse that RN which is freed up in the previously delete operation and reorganize if any other RNs are present. So that's the concept of rgzpfm, reorganize physical file member. So that's all in this case. Thank you and have a nice time.